Have you ever wondered how simple or crazy products that you buy from Amazon or eBay in your day-to-day life can actually make you at least $500 every day? No, you don't need any skills or experience to get this job done. You could be sitting in India, the USA, Australia, or literally anywhere in the world and still make money through Amazon dropshipping. So, here's the game plan. Head over to Amazon and look for some products like water bottles, this kitchen trolley, sunglasses, air fryer, body massager, coffee machine, basically something you feel people will actually buy, which is always something they need or like. Next, head over to eBay and check out the prices of these same products. For example, this kitchen trolley. Do you guys see the difference? Soon that's going to be ours. Create an eBay listing at a higher price, and when someone buys the product from your listing, you ship that product directly from Amazon to your eBay customer and keep the difference in your pocket. But we ain't done yet. There are still many steps left to unravel, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Stepping into the world of dropshipping is a bit like running a regular store, but with a little twist. So, picture yourself in a traditional shop where you buy products at a low price and then sell them at a higher price to make a profit. That's the classic way of doing business. Now, dropshipping shakes things up. It's like asking yourself, can I sell this item for, let's say, $150 or $200? And I would only buy it if I can get it for $80 or $100. The catch here is that you're not actually buying a bunch of items and storing them in your shop. You're more like a middle person. You only buy the item from your supplier after someone has placed an order with you. Here's where Amazon enters the scene as your go-to partner. They are known for their super fast delivery and wide collection of products. You list an item on eBay, for instance, at a certain price. When someone buys it from you, you quickly purchase the same item from Amazon, and since you have got the shipping details of your customer, you directly ship it to them. You just made a sale without actually having the product on hand. Now, let's talk about your sneaky research tactic. You know how when you're shopping online, you can often see related items or what other customers bought. On eBay, click over here and see what these sellers have already. So, if someone's been selling a bunch of kitchen trolleys, you think, hey, that's a good idea. People seem to like those. Are you guys ready for the next step? Every single day, like a daily ritual, you need to invest an hour or so into your cozy sofa with a cup of coffee on your side, and copy-pasting the Amazon products onto eBay. Then rinse and repeat. Trust me, this will all be worth it. With each click of the mouse, you are gradually building a portfolio, a virtual store, if you will, on eBay. And here's the most captivating part, all of this without having to part with a single dime until the sweet moment of making a sale. At this point, I want to show you guys something really important. You see, when I keyed in the kitchen trolley on eBay, it also showed me some suggestions. It's like eBay itself whispered, hey, these are the things people are hunting for. Start Amazon dropshipping in 2023 to turbocharge your income 10x. These are not random words or suggestions, these are literally what people are searching for, are buying. It's like being privy to a secret language that only eBay and its users spoke. And then comes the strategic part, crafting titles and headlines that catches the customer's attention. A lot of time new users don't care much for the titles, a grave mistake on their part. Including the right keywords and having a title that reflects that product helps in better searchability and visibility of your product, ultimately increasing the chances of it being sold. You see, eBay isn't just a marketplace, it's a vast search engine, a universe where people type in their wishes and it conjures the items they've been dreaming of. Alright, so here's the next step to make your eBay hustle even more effective. It's all about giving those images a personal touch. Once you've got that awesome item ready to go, like this super useful and beautiful kitchen trolley, it's time to make sure it catches everyone's eye. So, let's say you're browsing on Amazon and you stumble upon this incredible bicycle, and you can just feel that people are really into it. What you want to do before you put it up for sale on eBay is, well, give it a bit of a name. Save that product image onto your computer, and when you're saving it, make sure to name it with a keyword that's super relevant. Like, let's say it's lifelong mountain and road bike for men and women.png. It might sound like a small thing, but trust me, it makes a big difference. You see, eBay might not have superhero vision to understand what's in your picture, so you're basically being the translator here. By naming the image with the right keyword, it's like you're telling eBay, hey, this is exactly what's in the picture, don't miss it. It's all about those little details that can make your listing stand out. Now, about consistency, this is the real deal. You're like a one-person eBay tornado, posting products left and right. Imagine waking up, and before even properly opening your eyes, you're already sharing new listings. Or you're multitasking like a pro, munching on your favorite snacks while uploading more items. Heck, you're even squeezing in those eBay uploads during bathroom breaks. Talk about dedication. It's all about flooding eBay with your awesome items. The more listings you have, the more chances you've got to make some serious cash. So, while you're chilling with your favorite Netflix show, maybe something like Friends, I mean, who can resist Friends, right? You're still in the eBay game, making those listings like a true champ. Alright, so let's talk about the next cool move in this whole sales game. You know, when you finally seal the deal and make a sale, that's when the real fun begins. It's like diving into a pool of opportunities. You're not just stopping at the sale, oh no. You're going for the cashback sites, my friend. We're talking about a serious double dip here. When it comes to your sales game, think of double dipping as a smart, strategic session. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this double dipping magic, especially when it comes to something like dropshipping and teaming up with the Amazon giant. This is where the real beauty unfolds. You're not just making a sale, you're making a sale and then some. Imagine this, you're already cruising on Amazon, buying products for your customers, right? But here's the kicker, you can go that extra mile and snag some extra bucks. Literally just by clicking one little button on platforms like Swagbucks. And guess what? That's up to 4% cash back coming your way. Hold up, did you catch that? Free money, my friend. Let's break it down a bit more. For every $100 you're spending on your customers' orders, you're scoring an extra $4 in your pocket. It's like a secret bonus that keeps on giving. Imagine a world where people are handing you their money, and you're like, sure thing, let's make some magic happen. And with every $100 spent from someone else's wallet, you're earning a little extra cash for yourself. Sweet deal, right? But here's the thing, you ain't done yet, keep on moving forward. Nope, think of it as a stepping stone, a launchpad to even greater things. Sure, you can make a solid $100 doing this, no doubt about it. But hey, the competition out there can be pretty fierce. Once the word gets out, folks might come swarming in to try and get a piece of your pie. That's where your skills come in. Take what you've learned, the art of the sale, the savvy double dipping, and use it as fuel to skyrocket yourself to the next level, and fast. You gotta hustle with your competitors. Keep a close watch on what they are doing, what strategies they are adopting, and what products they are selling. So that's it for today. I want to express my sincere gratitude for investing your time in watching this video. Your attention is incredibly valuable, and I hope that you found the content enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your assistance in a few ways that can greatly contribute to the growth of this channel. First and foremost, if you liked what you saw, could you please consider giving the video a thumbs up? Your likes help others discover this content and let us know that we're on the right track in providing you with meaningful material. Sharing is caring, and sharing this video with your friends and family would mean the world to me. It's through your shares that we can reach a wider audience and make a positive impact on even more lives. If you haven't already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing ensures that you'll stay updated with our latest videos and won't miss out on any exciting content we have in store. Please don't hesitate to drop a comment below the video, whether it's feedback, suggestions, or just sharing your own experiences related to the topic. Your comments provide a valuable platform for us to connect and engage with one another.